How to use lock card feature on PayPal app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you use the lock card feature on the PayPal app. So what you want to do is here, if you want to use a lock card feature in the PayPal app that allows you to temporarily disable your PayPal debit card, what you need is open up your PayPal app onto your device. You could also use the web version of it. As you logged into your PayPal account, you then need to navigate to Wallet or Accounts tab. Tap the menu bar at the top and go to the Account Wallet section. Once you go to the Wallet section, here you want to go ahead and select Accounts. Then there you want to tap on PayPal debit card or PayPal credit card. After which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select manage card tabs. Then you have to slide the toggle next to a lock to turn it blue or to turn it off. And this way you're supposed to use lock card feature on the PayPal app, and that's how you're supposed to lock. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.